time to go to your room. You can't stay out here all night.
Oh, right, yeah. Early, yeah, early.
Whoa! Sir! Sir, let's go. It's time to go to your room.
I'm early, you know.
Count backwards to 100. Let's go. Get up. Walk in a straight line, buddy. Buddy! Do you really want to sleep out here?
Huh?
It's time to go to your room.
Yeah.
It's time to go to your room.
Yeah.
Buddy!
Yeah, 5 minutes.
What should he do? He's not gonna yell. Buddy!
I'm recording.
It's time to go to your room! You can't sleep out here.
I'm not sleeping out here, I'm sleeping out here.
You're too drunk to know what you're doing. Let's go
I
here.
know what I'm
Let's
doing.
go here.
I know.
Let's go!
I know, right? There's 5. Babe.
Let's go. Get up.
What?
Walk in a straight line, buddy.
Where's the line?
Walk in a straight line.
I want to see the line.
It's right there.
Buddy! Up and at 'em! It's too late for you to be out here. Let's go. Let's go!
See, they're just coming back. It's dark as hell. All you
It's
hear
too
is
drunk.
noise.
You're too drunk. Come on, let's go. You gotta go to the room. Buddy, let's go. You gotta go to the room. Charles!
He's fucking cracking up.
Charlie! I'm talking. I'm talking to you, Charlie. Charlie, we gotta go. We're waking up early, Charlie. Let's go. Charlie! Charlie! Let's go, Charlie. Put that down, Charlie. No, Charlie, don't do what Charlie did. What? I can't get him to come into the room. Charlie, let's go. It's dark and late out here. Let's go, Charlie. We gotta wake up early. Charlie, let's go. I'm not gonna tell you again, Charlie. Charlie? Charlie Dickinson, let's go. Charlie Milford the Third, let's go. Charlie, I'm gonna have to leave you out here. Charlie, let's go. I'm gonna walk you to your room. Let's go now, Charlie.
I ain't gonna get tired of that.
Charlie, what is this you're saying?
What? Hold on.
Let's go, Charlie. Charlie, go to your room. Charlie, where's your room? What's your room number, Charlie? Charlie, you're pissed drunk.
Yo, she's fucking awesome. Come on, let's go.
He's gonna be out here all night. Charlie! Charlie. Let's go, Charlie. Up and out him, out this chair. Charlie, let's go. You gotta go to the room now, Charlie. Let's go.
Come on, let's go, yo. Come on, let's go.
Charlie, I'm leaving. That means you're gonna stay here by yourself, sleeping. You hear me, Charlie? I'm gonna walk you to your room, Charlie. If you don't get up, you'll leave me no choice but to leave you here. You hear me, Charlie?
Okay. No,
Let's go.
I go.
Let's go. Let's go, Charlie. Charlie, let's go.
What's his
Charlie,
room number?
walk the chair, Charlie.
What's his room number?
What's your room number, Charlie? Charlie, what's your room number? Take your key out here. Take it out. Charlie, let's go. Give it to me, Charlie. What's the room?
5308.
5308.
5308.
Let's go.
Where's that at? Where's that?